To get started, switch to the Part workbench. Then select this tool to create a simple cube. To rotate the view, hold down the Shift key and the left mouse button, then move your mouse. This lets you to inspect your model from any angle. To pan the view, hold down the middle mouse button or the mouse wheel, then move your mouse. Use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Zooming allows you to inspect both small details and the entire model. If your model disappears from the view, don't worry. Just go to the toolbar and click Fit All tool, or press V, then F keys on your keyboard. FreeCAD automatically centers and fits the entire model into the 3D view. To focus on a specific object, select and choose Fit Selection, or press V, then S. In the top right corner of the 3D view, you will find the navigation cube. This tool lets you quickly change the viewing angle. Click a face to switch to a standard view, such as top, front, or right. Click an edge or a corner to switch to an isometric view. Use the arrows to rotate the view step by step. Click the small cube icon to access additional view options. Orthographic view displays the model without perspective distortion, making it ideal for precise modeling. Perspective view adds depth for a more realistic appearance. Isometric view switches to a standard 3D viewing angle. To navigate in the 3D view, rotate the model first, then pan it's necessary, and zoom in only as much as needed. That's it for this tutorial. In the next video, we'll create our first body in FreeCAD.